This is the matter of ZH, case number 25-51495 in A. Present in the virtual courtroom, we have Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Laura Clifton. We have Mother Abigail Hilgendorf. We have Mother's attorney, Mr. Sherlin, and attorneys, I should say, Mr. Sherlin and Ms. Preston. We have Father Ian Hilgendorf. We have who is also represented by Mr. Sherlin and Ms. Preston. We have the child's attorney, Charlie Clapp, various agency workers. All right, we are here for an adjudication in this matter. And Ms. Clifton, my understanding is parents are not respondents. This is a dependency case. We simply need to establish a factual basis for the dependency petition and the grounds under the statute. And for that purpose, we will be asking the parents to admit to paragraphs A, B, L, and M of the petition. Is that correct?
That is right.
Okay. Mr. and Mrs. Hilgendorf, if you would unmute, please. Great, thank you. Would you both raise your right hands, please? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this matter is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
I do.
All right, thank you. And are the parties willing to waive the reading of the petitions?
So waived,
Petition.
Your Honor.
Yes,
Yes,
Your
Your
Honor.
Honor.
All right, thank you. All right. Paragraph A reads, Ms. Abigail Hilgendorf is the legal mother of ZH per Kent County file number 1927356 AM. Is that true, ma'am?
Yes.
Sir?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, sir, did you say yes as well?
It is true, yes.
Okay, thank you. Paragraph B reads, Mr. Ian Hilgendorf is the legal father of ZH per Kent County file number 1927356 AM.
That is
Is
true.
that correct? Okay,
Yes.
all right. Paragraph L reads, on September 15th, 2025, a team decision meeting was held. Mr. and Mrs. Hilgendorf expressed they are unable and unwilling to pick ZH up from the emergency department due to ZH being violent towards them as well as their other children. They do not have a successor guardian or family member who is able to provide care for ZH.
Yes, that is true.
That is true.
All right. And paragraph M reads, ZH is without proper care and custody.
Yes.
Yes.
All right, thank you. Anything further regarding a factual basis from you, Ms. Clifton?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Sherlin?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Preston?
No, Your Honor. Sorry.
It's all right. Mr. Clapp?
No, Your Honor.
Right. The court finds that there are statutory grounds for the court to take jurisdiction in this matter, specifically that this juvenile is in danger of substantial physical or psychological harm and is dependent because the juvenile has repeatedly run away from home and is beyond the control of a parent or other legally responsible person. So the court will take jurisdiction. And are we prepared to go on to dispositions at this time?
Yeah, I think we can do a short disposition. I think I have 3 exhibits, and I would call Ms. Saunders when the court's ready.
All right, Ms. Saunders, would you raise your right hand? Would you state your name and spell it for the record?
Katie Saunders, Katiesauндers.
And do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this matter is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Thank you.
Your Honor, the 3 proposed exhibits are the CPS report with a cover sheet dated 10/23/2025. I have Ms. Saunders from Wellsprings Case Service Plan Parent Agency Agreement, which is dated October 15, 2025. And then I have a court addendum from Ms. Saunders, which is dated 11/3/25. And I guess I have Exhibit 4, which is a Maximus Specialized Placement Division dated October 30th. So that would be Exhibit 4.
Okay, I don't have the addendum or the Maximus report. Ms. Gibson, do you have that?
I'm looking for a hard copy in the social file. I don't see it.
I can wait for the next hearing, Your Honor.
Wait, I do have a hard copy of the addendum, but I don't see the Maximus.
How about then we just do the hard copy of the addendum?
All right.
Oh, it's attached to
Yeah,
the addendum, so I will
that's
go
how mine
scan it
was
right now,
too.
so we have both of them.
okay.
All right. Thank you. Any objection to the admission of those exhibits?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
No, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Okay, they're admitted.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Saunders, you're a caseworker for Wellspring, is that correct?
For this specific case, yes, my title is Division Director, but I'm holding ZH's case currently, yes.
But you are supervising ZH's case?
I'm the current caseworker on this case, correct?
Okay, good. And she has been, much to your hard work in the last few weeks, she has been placed in a residential placement, correct?
That is correct.
Why don't you explain to the court where she is and how it is going so far?
So currently, ZH is placed at Whaley's Children's Center, and since she was placed there on October 29th, she has done fairly well. Educationally, there have been some bumps as far as being able to concentrate in the classroom, being able to get along with some peers in the classroom. So we are evaluating, looking at schools outside of the residential, potentially if they would be a better fit for ZH. She does have a current IEP that was just revamped about 2 weeks ago when she was in shelter care. And so we will be utilizing that. And again, the current residential is looking at classroom size and just ensuring that she is getting what she needs in school. But as far as the residential and her placement there, she has done really well. There have been no issues reported as far as her acting out behaviorally. There's been a few situations where she's gotten frustrated and she's had to be de-escalated, but nothing that the staff have not been able to handle. But as far as the reports and historically of her being physically aggressive or getting to a point of being unsafe, she has not exhibited those behaviors since being in care.
Excellent. And what is the time she's going to be there, if you know, if that's possible to say?
Yeah, at this point, we're looking at least 9 months of treatment at Whaley.
Okay. And we can address future of that later. And what is the what is this residential plan replacement, excuse me, what's in it? It's school, it's treatment, what else is in it?
Yes, she has provided, specialized care in her school. She's given multiple times a week. She has group therapy with the other individuals in her home. She will have individual therapy. She will have the ability to do specific things in the community to help her regain the ability to be safe in community settings. The home that she is currently placed in is actually in a community. They do have a main campus, but the home is specifically in a community. So that helps her being able to transition with ensuring that she's able to be safe and, deal with the day-to-days that happen out there. She's able to be involved in extracurricular activities, whether that's sports or different things that are going on through the residential, and continue with parenting times with her family members as well.
Before we get into parenting time, where is this placement located?
It's in Flint.
In Flint, okay. And my understanding is Mr. and Mrs. H have been involved through telephone, Zoom, or some kind of contact with ZH?
Yes, they've had lots of involvement with ZH. I think they speak to her on the phone almost every single day.
Excellent.
And then they also have scheduled virtual parenting times once a week. And just last week, we're able to do an in-person visit with her at the residential as well.
And all that is going well, I take it?
It's all going well. ZH seems very happy. She always lights up when she talks about her family, because I know that's one thing that she has stated that she continuously misses. She seems to engage well for the most part during those parenting times. And I know this in-person one this past week seemed to go well, which what was reported to me.
So her parents are very engaged.
They are, yes.
Yeah, you don't have any concerns about that at all?
I do not, no.
Okay, all right. What are your is she having contact with anyone else?
She does have contact with her biological mother, who was doing weekly virtual visits as well. Over the last week or so, contact has decreased a bit, but she is in contact with her mother, and she calls her every once in a while as well.
Okay. Any concerns about any of those contacts?
Not at this time.
Okay. What are your recommendations at this time?
Yes, I'm recommending that ZH remain a temporary court ward of the court, ZH be placed in a residential facility, that the parenting time of Mr. and Mrs. Hildendorf be at the discretion of the agency, that the parenting time of Miss Anisha Nixon be at the discretion of the agency, all parties comply and benefit from the parent agency treatment plan, and that this matter be reviewed in 90 days.
Thank you. I don't have any other questions, Your Honor.
Thank you. Ms. Clifton,
No questions, Your Honor.
Mr. Sherlin,
No questions, Your Honor. Thank you.
Ms. Preston.
No, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Any further witnesses, Mr. Clapp?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Any witnesses, Ms. Clifton?
No.
Mr. Sherlin?
None, Your Honor.
Ms. Preston?
None, Your Honor.
All right. I just have a question about the order. Since the parents are not respondents, typically the court would not enter an order for parenting time since they're entitled to time whenever it can be arranged. Is that something that the agency or the facility needs?
In speaking with the facility, if it is not in the order, that is fine. It's based off my recommendation.
Okay. As like I said, they're not respondents in this case, so I don't see the need for an order, but I also know some of these places have needs that sometimes it's just easier, but
Yes.
and then the same thing with Ms. Nixon. Do we need an order for her?
Again, that would be based off my recommendations. The facility is fine with that.
Okay, so no need for that order either.
Correct.
Okay. Any follow-up, Ms. Clifton?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Clapp?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Sherlin?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Preston?
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Statements? Ms. Clifton?
Your Honor, I would ask that you accept the recommendations.
All right. Mr. Clapp?
I would concur, Your Honor.
Mr. Sherlin?
Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. and Mrs. H, we would ask the court to adopt the recommendation.
Ms. Preston?
I concur with Mr. Sherland.
All right, thank you. The court finds that the lawyer guardian ad litem has complied with the requirements of the statute, so long as the court receives confirmation that that has happened in the next couple of weeks. That an order enter placing this child in the temporary custody of this court and placing with the Department for Care and Supervision. Sorry, I'm looking for the institutional placement language. All right. I will continue the attorneys in this matter. And Ms. Gibson, do we have a date for our next review hearing?
Yes, Your Honor, February 4 at 10 a.m.
Any conflicts with that date or time?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Sherlin, are you looking? You're muted.
I'll be out of town, Your Honor, but Ms. Preston can cover.